Go away. Okay, with the big reveal again. Let's try it again. We had to cut. Let's see what happens. We had to put it in the bag. So we have to go put this in the washing machine next. So I hope this is coming out. If it's not coming out, oh well. Not too bad. I was wondering what color my hands would be after I'm done with this. Look, go away. I think the rubber bands were the hardest thing to put on it, and they're not being so easy to take off. I guess they're easy. Haven't been snapped yet. What I usually do when I mess with rubber bands, they snap me. Don't you do it. There. I guess there was really no rhyme or reason to how I put rubber bands on this yesterday. I wasn't drinking or anything. Heck, we weren't even doing what hippies do yesterday. Okay, let's go throw it in the washing machine. Another beautiful day, but we are expecting some pretty nasty weather coming in a couple days, and maybe I'll put a little content about that on the video today. But let's go to the washing machine and see what this is going to turn out like. And if you are wondering, yes, that hurt a lot when I lifted that up. It's still hurting. So I can't wait for this shoulder to go away because it's only 14 more days. Okay, now we're here at the washing machine. Well, there you have it. There's my tie-dye from the event that I went to yesterday. And yeah, this is 50% cotton, 50% polyester. And what we talked about yesterday was that it'll probably only be 50% dyed, of which is 50% dyed, but it's still okay. It's 100% okay with me. So there we go. There is my tie-dye from yesterday. Here's something interesting you might want to look up. What are the uses of papaya? And there are very interesting uses. So look it up on the internet. And what I think is interesting, if you can find this one, is what do you do with the milk that comes out when you scratch a papaya like that? What's it taste like? What's it used for? If you scratch it enough, you can actually gather a substantial amount of this juice, and it will crystallize if you just let it dry like that. And now I pick that one off and another little blister will come out and do the same thing. And I barely scratched that papaya right there. So look it up. We're going to have some of this lettuce for dinner tonight, so I'll be picking that. And I want to work on this machine. I need to get the tires replaced, but the rodents got in here and they got up underneath inside. They got up under here, in here, and I pulled a bunch of, there's still stuff in there. There's a nest in there, and they ate up all my wiring. And the thing will start, but it won't shut off. So when I open this up, I'm going to find a rat's nest in there, and I'm going to find all the wiring chewed. But I'm going to save that for another video because this arm just won't do that kind of twisting and lifting and moving. So I'm kind of stuck there. Oh, let's do something else. I think I need to get in some walking. I'll do that and we'll come back and I'll find something else to put in for content today. It'll be a short one, but it's still day 14 and I'm looking forward to getting this fixed. I am surprised Sky is not sticking right next to me right now, but I noticed something here that's interesting. Well, it's not interesting, but it's kind of weird. She collects avocados. They're all over this farm. Avocado trees over there, way back there. There's avocado trees there. And she finds them and likes to eat them. So I'm finding avocados everywhere. There's another one. Oh no. Oh, what it is with having a busted, messed up arm. I'm getting a bit. Oh no. Look at that. Where are you going? That's a pretty big hole. Oh, it's a big gopher. He's headed into my garden, and I can't do anything about it. Another avocado. There's two. There's another one. And she has a ripe one in her bed. That's ripe. Oh my goodness. And there's her teeth marks. She's getting ready to eat this. I think I'll eat that. Yeah, nothing wrong with that avocado. I think this is going to make a nice little sandwich. Well, that was good. Let's do that again. Well, it is a Monday, and I'm going to go ahead and get out and get my exercise in. She wants to get exercise in, that's for sure. The minute I put my sticks on, she is ready to go. So I don't know if I'm going to get a full 5K in today. It's getting really warm. And when it warms up in this canyon and the heat and I don't get along too good, so I either trek really early in the morning when it's nice and cool, or I cut the thing short because I just get too hot. So anyway, we'll probably end the video here, or I don't know, maybe I'll find something better to end the video on. We'll see. So I was just in the middle of a big giant dog fight, you and her. Go in the water, cool down, dogs. Good girl. Good girls. You both walk with me. You don't need to fight. Otter dog. And Binx, the Bouvier. And she is a monster. And she's a sweetheart, though. Oh my. Mom is not going to be happy with you. Oh, she got blood on her. Two of them went at it, so I don't know how bad she got bit. Sky's got some blood on her. And we'll see. We'll see if they want to continue to fight or not, or they just want to go walking with me. We'll see. Here we go. If they do, I'll turn the video back on. And we'll watch a dog fight, right? No way. I got to get in the middle and break it up or they get hurt. Two mortal enemies. Now they're friends. At least for now. Till tomorrow. Come on, girls. Let's keep walking. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. I think I'll end the video here. Hopefully, there won't be any more dog fights today. And I'll be cutting this short because I gotta take her back home. And Heidi will be glad to see her baby back home. Not too badly chewed up. We should be happy to know that she can walk with me without getting hurt. Oh, okay. Waiting turns for water. She's always got to put her paw in the water when she drinks. I don't know why. Okay, your turn, Binx. Go get a drink. Get a drink. Go on, get a drink. Good girl. Oh, she's too busy with that. We're on her. What's happening here is that I'm not able to keep these two going in a real good direction because Binx is a herding dog and she wants to herd and be in control. Don't do it. Let's go, girls. Come on. So every time Sky wants to do something, she's going to try to herd her away from where she doesn't think she needs to go. And that's why they are going back and forth and back and forth. I think I have a couple tired dogs. Come on, we got a little ways to go. Let's go, come on. So that's how Binx likes to drink water. And this thing, oh my goodness sake. It's been a day, so I think I'll call that a video for today. Hope you enjoyed walking and with me. They did. I'll see you sometime soon. There's one of your balls, Binx. So far, so good. I don't know what's gonna happen when we get up to her home now. Woodpeckers. Ah, there she is. Let's go see Mom. Come on. Hi, Heidi. I got your baby. I'm bringing her home to you. Sky the otter dog. I guess this is really the ending. It's no wonder those doggies were tired. We almost did a 5K, 2.9 miles today. It took us almost an hour to do that.